welcome to or back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lexi, and today I have my brother Mikey here with me to unbox the Theragun Mini, and we are really excited about this, and this is actually a gift my brother got for my parents because actually he has tried it before and none of us have. So we're going to unbox it, set it up, and give you a little review, and we think this is going to be the perfect thing for my parents because they just got a Peloton, as you've seen in some of my other videos. So it'll be the perfect thing for them to use to recover their muscles after doing that and other forms of physical activity in just daily life. So it'll really help them to make their life easier and more productive by having their body all recovered from using this little massage gun. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing part of this video.
And the unboxing is going to take place in 3 stages. We've got the thing itself, the Theragun Mini, and there's some extras because, you know, Christmas specials and everything like that. So they've got the Theragun Mini stand, so it's something you can put it on, so when you charge it, you keep it up there. And in addition, we got this little different attachment. This one's the large ball, as opposed to what it normally has, which I imagine is the regular size ball. So
we're excited to finally start using it because I have never tried it, so let's do it. So let's start by unboxing the Theragun itself. So obviously they've always got this plastic around the outside to keep the box all nice. And I always like to keep my boxes as neat as possible. So we are going to try and do that today. And wow, it is really nice and really easy to keep all perfect. And we wanted the Theragun Mini because it is perfect for traveling. And my parents go back and forth to North Carolina a lot to see both of us, so it has this perfect carrier case to take it in. And right inside is the Theragun itself. And as you can see, like next to my hand, it is really small and compact, so that is perfect for them. And also in the box, we had this little packet, which I imagine has the instructions in it. Yep, so Therabody from the creators of Theragun. And then also we have the charger, and we heard that we need to plug it in before we use it, so while we unbox the other pieces, we're going to get it plugged in. Right on the side here, there's a little plug for it, so putting it right in there. And I'm going to plug this in quick. So next we are going to unbox a large ball attachment. So that's literally all that's in here. And we have to get it out of here. So that is all it is, and it has this little thing that it came in, which you don't need that. But we'll probably keep the box so we can put whatever one we're not using in it. So there is that piece. And now for the stand.
Nice job.
So both pieces open differently.
I love this boxing.
Alright, so here is the stand. And it is actually kind of heavy, I was surprised. But it's really nice and clean looking. And that's all that's in this box too. So with these pieces, we should be able to set it up and make it look really neat when it is not being used. Okay, so now that we have everything unboxed and we've let this charge for a little bit, we are going to test it out. So literally all we had to do, like you saw, was put it on the charger, and you don't need the stand or the extra head to use it, but it's just nice things to have because you can set it right in the stand and it hangs out really nicely, and then when you have it charging, it's perfect. But I mean, if you don't have the stand, it just lays on the floor, no big deal, it doesn't really matter. But we just like the way it looks, like that. And on the Theragun website, it actually can show you exactly how to use it for each muscle. And something that I read, because I always get a little sciencey on you guys, is faster does not always mean better with something like this. So when you're doing different parts of your body, you don't want to use it at too strong of a speed just because it's not always better for your muscles. So like on your legs, you might use like a faster speed, so it's a little harder, but like on your arms, you might not want to use something like that. And I'm not like a pro on massage things, so I would definitely tell you to reference the website for that. But we are going to test it out now. It was super easy to unbox and set up.
Let me show you this because it took me forever to find this too. So the button you're going to want to use is right on the side here. It's got 3 speeds. All right, so the first one, did we charge it for long enough? Oh my God, we did. So it's probably looking like madness over there. This is the lowest speed, okay? And then you hit it again.
And that's why I said do not use too strong of a speed on different parts of your body.
And then you hit another one.
it can really get going.
Look at that. It's insane.
And another thing about the Mini is it is quiet, so it's not like there's a lot of massage products that are really loud, and I'm sure this probably sounds loud because of our setup and the microphone and stuff. How does it feel?
Oh my God. So something that I haven't felt in like a month and a half. It's just because I haven't been at my buddy's place. I've been up here in New York.
Okay, it's really nice.
It's insane. So basically the story behind this is that there was a chiropractor who had gotten into a motorcycle accident. And he was sitting there with nothing but time and his own thoughts. And he thought, why don't I make something that can actually put the power back into people's hands and help them treat themselves therapeutically while they're recovering. So this is what they started. This is what they built after, iteration after iteration. And here we are with the Theragun Mini. It's pretty awesome. A great story.
It is a great story. And they have different sizes like we said before, but this one is just the most quiet and compact, and it still has 3 speeds, and the bigger ones I don't think have more. There's still 3, right?
I think there's 3. Don't take that for face value. But how about we switch out this little piece here? But
while he's fixing that, it's just the perfect thing for on the go. And like I've told you in my past few videos, I really want to show you different technology and gadgets that can make your life easier, more productive. So if you are someone that does a lot of physical activity, even if it's not like exactly working out, I think people underestimate their work life and just stressful lives doing different things every day. It is the perfect thing to have to make sure that you are not losing days from being sore and trying to recover. So definitely something to invest in to keep your life moving and your busy schedule rolling and not be stopping to slow down to be sore. And Mikey is over here enjoying it now because he just switched ahead really fast, and all he did was pull it off the end.
Does it make it makes your voice vibrate? Gosh, I mean, it's like I saw somebody else's video. They literally said it was it's like having a personal therapist just like in the palm of your hand doing this stuff. Unbelievable. I love this thing. All right, so moment we've all been waiting for. Mom's here now. She's gonna try it out for the first time. Mom, you ready?
Can't wait.
All right. So here it is.
Okay.
This is what all mothers dream their sons will do for them, right?
That's right.
Now, Mom has some knots, so hopefully we're going to figure out how we can effectively use this to get all those out. But how is that?
Nice.
First impression.
You can tell her voice.
Yeah, I know.
Mom, we could probably go for hours with this thing, but first impression, what are we thinking?
I think, though, what I like best is, with most of those things, you kind of feel, if you've ever had any, you kind of feel like the actual... whatever the front part of it is. Yeah. But with that, it just feels like a smooth motion, like going through your skin. Yeah. And it's kind of
clearly
like
we did this like 5 minutes before this. But Mom,
it's kind of like a deep. I don't know, if you get a massage, it's kind of like a deeper pressure, so it's really nice. And I am going to try to get all those knots out of my shoulders and back. Thank you.
All right, love you. They make other models, they make other sizes. So if depending on what you do, if you use it for sports. You might want to use like one of the higher end ones if you're planning on doing some extreme stuff like football, hockey, cheerleading, these things that can constantly get you more of a constant pain in certain parts of your body that you want to treat afterwards. There's also the craziest thing. There is like an online university. So this isn't just a product. This is like a community that Theragun has established. So like if you are in the treatment end of it, like you do occupational therapy or something like that, you can go online and take classes and learn how to use this thing to help people in an actual practice.
And I did not even know that. So that is really cool.
Go on the website.
So that is a good thing that you are even offered to do if you don't have a degree, to learn how. And people spend a lot of money on massages, so this is definitely worth it because honestly, using it for the whole family, you would definitely pay more than that for a massage. So learning how to use it correctly is definitely a major key component of it. So again, I don't know, we were doing a lot when I told you the first time, but don't be afraid switching the heads. You just pull it right off and it's super easy. But that is it for this Theragun Mini unboxing, setup, and review video. And we will see you all next time. Bye, guys.
See you then. Subscribe, like, do all those things.
Yes,
comment.
If you enjoyed this. And watch my other videos to get more gadgets to make your life easier and more productive. So again, bye guys.
See you next time.
me.